Folding portable outdoor chair with adjustable backrest uses patented strap and buckle system to adjust to uneven terrain for a secure seat anywhere. Built-in beverage holder keeps drinks nearby. Mesh paneling promotes airflow for ventilated seating that stays cool on hot days. Auto-fold carrying strap automatically folds chair for fast and easy transport to camp, picnics, tailgates, and sporting events. Seat height is 10 inches. Sturdy powder-coated steel frame supports up to 250 pounds. Chair measures 26.8 by 20.2 by 24.4 inches, collapses to 3.1 by 20.2 by 28.1 inches, and weighs 5.4 pounds. Manufacturer's limited lifetime warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Handy low-level beach chair. I like this comfortable, low-level beach chair, with reasonably high back support and a cup holder. Tube structure resists sinking too far into the sand, better than feet. Chair folds up easily, and easy to carry with built-in strap. Purchased 2 of these to complement another older model that has held up well over many years. Avoid this only if you have difficulty in getting up from low chairs. Great value and seems to be made from good materials.